how to change your default shutdown options in Alt+F4 Dialogue Box on Windows 10. So in order to do that, you need to first of all go to the search bar and search for registry editor and tap on Run as administrator. After that, your registry will open up. In here under ASCII current user, open up the software folder. After that, scroll, let me just make the screen big for now. After that, go under Microsoft. After opening up the Microsoft, you need to look up for Windows. Scroll down until you see Windows. After seeing Windows, open up current version. Just go to current version, you can see. And here, under current version, you need to open up Explorer, which you will find when you go a little bit down. Just go to Explorer. After going to Explorer, you need to open up the next file again. Just scroll down. Under that, you will find this advanced option. Just click advanced, or you may just open up. For now, we just need this folder right now. Tap on advanced. Just open up the advanced one. After opening up this advanced registry, you need to right click and create a new file. Here, tap on new. After that, select the D or 32-bit value and create a new folder. So what I want you to tap on the name is *_power button action. Type in this prompt, and here type on modify. After that, here you can see this value data option. This box open up. So here you can type in different value data. So the first one is which is for shutting restart. After restart is the 4 value data, and tap on OK and it will restart. The next one is 16, which is for sleep. You may add that value data and create the bit value if you want, and tap on OK. Another one is 64, which is for hibernate, and you can also use this one in order to hibernate, and tap on OK and set it up. And another one here we have 256, which is for switch user. You may use this value data. And another one is which is for sign out. So these are the value data that we may use right now. We're going to use 4 in order to set it as a default shutdown, and tap on OK. After setting it up, just close this registry editor. After closing the registry editor, you may just restart your computer and see the changes. So therefore, by following this method, you can change default shutdown options in Dialog Box in Windows 11 or 10. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.